There's a quiet revolution happening in classrooms and study rooms everywhere. And it's powered by something you already know, artificial intelligence. For Gen Z students, AI isn't some far-off tech dream. It's already here, already helping, and already changing the way we learn. You've grown up with smartphones, fast internet, and voice assistants. Now, AI is your next big tool for studying. Not harder, but smarter. Forget the old school way of flipping through textbooks for hours. Today, AI tools can act like personal tutors. These tools track what topics you're good at and what still needs work. They then create custom questions and explanations just for you. That means less time reviewing stuff you already understand and more time focused on the tricky parts. It's study time made smarter, faster, and way more efficient. And it's not just about practicing problems. AI helps in research, revision, and even writing. Say you've got a big assignment and tons of sources to go through. Instead of spending hours reading every word, AI tools can summarize long articles and pull out the key points. Need to revise before a test? AI can turn your notes into flashcards. Need ideas for a project or help understanding a difficult concept? AI chatbots are like 24/7 study buddies, ready whenever you are. Real students are already using tools like ChatGPT, Notion AI to prepare for exams, finish homework faster, and stay organized. These aren't just apps. They're productivity boosters that turn study stress into study success. And they work on phones, tablets, and laptops, making learning more flexible than ever. Writing an essay? AI can suggest ways to improve your grammar, structure your paragraphs, and even help you brainstorm arguments. But here's the important part. AI is not here to do the thinking for you. It's here to boost your ideas, not replace them. Using AI wisely means double-checking facts, understanding the content yourself, and using it as a guide, not a shortcut. In the end, it's all about responsible use. When you use AI the right way, it becomes your secret weapon for school success. And for parents watching this, it's time to see AI as a learning ally, not a threat. Encourage your kids to use these tools ethically, to grow their curiosity, and to build real knowledge. Because in this new era of learning, the smartest students won't just be the ones who study more. They'll be the ones who study smart. So, Gen Z, AI isn't the future. It's your present. And it's helping you learn better, faster, and with more confidence. If you want more tips like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to SchoolMyKids, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next one.